Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your friend's personal zone in Mobile Legends game. Alright, you can select your friends right here, for example, and just click check and appears your friend's personal zone. You can see their location, and you can see their medal and recent visits, and you can also see their album and their history. Oh, but history has been hidden by them. Alright, that's how you can see your friend's personal zone in Mobile Legends. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.